It's simple. My plan is to generate as much money as I can using AI, using our phones, and using the internet. And this tool is getting us right for the summertime. Not only do they have summer deals, you gonna need some extra money in that pocket for the summer so you can spend money on your family, get you some buns, whatever you need to do. Let's get into the video. All right, so you see I started this off on this website right here. We're not wasting no time. I gotta give y'all the sauce. So you see sun's out, deals on, summer shop favorites. So when we go here, it has everything already broken down to some stuff it's already selling at a high clip. And here's the thing that's the lick. What's going to happen is you are going to get 5% off of this stuff. So if you want to sell this and add it to the store, let's see, they got Atlanta Braves, Iowa State. Okay, so let's say LSU, right? These are beach towels. What you do is you open TikTok, your handy TikTok. And when we type in LSU, we're going to go to the top right and we're sort by the most liked videos. Press search and then look what pops up. Football clips. The LSU football player who was hurt. You got a girl being pretty. You got all sorts of stuff going on from just LSU. This is viral. So what you could do is take some football clips, for example, right? LSU related. You start posting on a TikTok account. Any type of website you want, whether you want to use Beacon, Shopify, that's going to be where you set up the store. All you need is a landing page and you see how many viral videos are right here for just this team. Then you start posting the viral football clips, and in that link in the description, you have the checkout to the beach towel. Look how simple it is. Now you could do every college team. You could do every sports team. You could do every pro or NFL team. It doesn't matter, but all the listings are here. Let's keep going. You see Kentucky Wildcats. You see kids couches. So if y'all make kid-friendly content, I don't know what you're doing, cartoons, whatever it is, you can make stuff for children as well. They got rechargeable mosquito killer. Hey, whatever y'all want to get into, they have stuff for everybody. Every sports team, so there's literally no excuse. So right now, if you want to start posting sports content and you a Boston Bruins or TCU, whatever you like, there's really no excuse because posting clips can start to get you paid. I digress. Let's continue on. Let's look at the outdoor. You see they got outdoor products as well too. So here's the thing that's crazy about this is people make content. Let's say you can actually download content that already has been viral on TikTok or Instagram and you can repurpose it. I tend to give credit to the author that was the originator, but you can do what you like. I don't judge. When you start going viral with those products, you can add this right to your store. This is going to add it directly to your inventory, to your store, so you can start selling it on your Shopify. And you never even have to touch a product. They ship this stuff for you. It shows you how much is in stock, and it gets delivered within 3 business days. So you could be selling people furniture, 4-piece patio sets. Bruh, they got so much stuff here. And this is for the outdoor. You know, summer's coming up, so people are going to be looking for the new DIY hacks, the new summertime hacks and different things that are trending. And you see they got a lot of backyard sets, patio sets. Bro, I think this is a great way that we can start monetizing. But again, I'm not your guru. You do what you want. And this website, doba.com, is so fire and so powerful that it's going to connect you with some of the best premium suppliers. I went ahead and clicked premium suppliers and it showed me this one here called Mills Gourmet. Here's another thing. You knew it's going to be a lot of cookouts, a lot of grilling. Y'all know the heat is out, so people are going to start being outside a lot. So all of these products are all gourmet and artesian. You know, you can just put fancy words on it and you can sell them for expensive amounts. So whether you want to recreate the already viral content, I'll show you each and every video how TikTok and Instagram and Pinterest, whatever you use, already have the content there. You can go sort it and you can remake the content, or you can repurpose the already existing content, just give credit and put a link to one of these products. Let's say you have a food page, you can put 5 of these products in your store so people can check out each one of these. You only make sweet jalapeno content. Make content only about jalapenos. Repurpose content that other people posted about jalapenos. You get the drift? And look, if you don't know what to sell and you're still trying to figure it out, you're still like, oh my goodness, I don't like deals or sales or whatever, they make curated lists for you. When you click curated lists, every week or so, they actually send you new lists. Look at how many months they've been sending me lists. Y'all see this here? They've been sending me customized lists every week on different products. This has over 20 products. It's already ready to go. They're already ready to grow in your business. And you never need to show your face. These are ways we're going to start using AI and internet to start bringing in these dollars. I mean, if Apple, Google, and Netflix and all these companies that you use, Spotify is using AI and making money off of it at your expense, Why are you not trying to learn how to use it? So the more you use Doba, you understand that they're using AI to find the top ranking products, get the best suppliers, and they have so many sales. So this is why I think you need to go check this tool out right now. Everything you need is gonna be in the description, and it's free, bro, it's free. This is how we're gonna set our store up. And if you already have stores on Temu, Amazon, eBay, Wix, Walmart, Shopify, TikTok Shop, it connects to those stores for you too. So literally, you can connect the stores you already got on Shopify right to here. It'll add it to your inventory, mail the product for you. All you doing is repurposing and reposting other people's content, or remaking videos that are already viral, or getting those ideas. You feel me? Because success leaves clues. This homepage has everything you need. Even if you don't want to click on it, browse the page anymore, everything you need is right here. So let me know what y'all think of this tool. Doba is heat. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think it is. Are you using AI to start getting paid with your business? If not, I don't know what you're doing. Stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.